Okay. AI your agency, AI your operations, AI your business, whatever you want to call it. This course is 4 weeks and it will help you define your workflows and then actually turn on an automation. So everyone who comes to class will go through their own series of exploration. And by the end of the 4 weeks, you will actually be turning an automation on. Um, so that we're really excited. It was a great class last month. And so this month, I think we have almost 20 people in it right now. So if you're interested, you can still join. The link will be in the description. Um, Lily wants to do the news with us today, so she'll be joining us live here from my office. The next article is about TELUS of Canada making some bold moves with AI. They had a $50 billion investment, which is amazing. And they're also, I believe they're working with NVIDIA on this one, which you've seen all over the news recently with the new chips and all the data centers and all the things. Because the more AI we have, the more power we need to run them. So it's a really good article, and we can look at their strategy. This is the actual article that we got this information from, and there's a bunch of information there about the communities that they're working with. I thought this was interesting about the investment will also support fiber build outs for 20 indigenous lands and 53 rural communities through 2026. So they're also supporting getting AI, getting the Wi-Fi power, all of that to these other communities. And they are already connecting 637 indigenous lands and 530 rural communities. So that's great. We like to hear that all people are being supported. There we go. AI is changing university recruitment, but not in their favor. So this one's interesting. Um, because students are relying more on AI tools, um, to look for universities for doing their research. They're showing key findings are showing top ranking universities failing to convert clicks when AI generated answers dominate search results, which is, yeah, I never like, I guess this is the time we would think about it because it was never a thing before now, but that's kind of interesting. So they're thinking about their strategies and how they can optimize for AI and be found by more students. Yeah, that's kind of an interesting little issue to have, I guess, at this time. It's all with the new Google Photos has leveled up in their editing, and they had some really cool examples on on this site that we got the article from, making it easier to take out backgrounds, adjust lighting, a bunch of new tools inside of Google. And I know we've been talking about Google for a long time, and we were sort of waiting for them to come up with their magic, and they have been slowly releasing their tools and their capabilities out, but they're really powerful. So I guess it's worth the wait at this point, we're thinking with Google. And then we talk about AI agents and how they are reshaping enterprise strategies. And I know that we are already using AI to create strategies both for marketing and AI implementation, but this is just showing that that entire area shifting to these AI first operating models, which is pretty cool. Um, I like the fact that they're talking about managing tasks, that that's really the priority or like the forefront, and driving efficiency, because that's really what we want. We want to still be creative. We still want to do things, but there's a lot in the background that each of us do that someone else, or in this case, something else, AI can handle for us. And then this I thought was interesting. Reed Hastings, who was on, or I think he still is on the board of Facebook and Microsoft. He is joining Anthropic's board. So I thought that was interesting, especially because of all the work he's done at Netflix. What that might do for Anthropic and what that might mean is coming to Anthropic soon. So Netflix has a lot of data, it has a lot of users, it has a lot of information, and how much can those two companies work together and sort of advance, especially for Anthropic. Claude. And the tools we love this week, again, Tokadot. Nicole's out doing some speaking right now using Tokadot to get people's comments, suggestions, feedback. Jasper is probably one of our favorite tools for creating copy, informed copy, SEO optimized, all the things you need inside Jasper. And we use that to build this newsletter. So what you're reading right now, we also have created workflows in Jasper to make that happen. And then we couldn't keep it all together without our CRM, which is OS. And we keep track of our pipelines, our contracts, our invoices, all of our contacts, SMS, email, like everything lives under that umbrella of OS. And again, a reminder about our course that starts tomorrow, June 5th, and we'll continue for the rest of this month. And then we'll probably have a little bit of a break, but we will be bringing it back again. So if you don't join by tomorrow, there will still be time. So make sure you are getting the news. And if you're not, make sure to let us know at info@aismartinsiders.com. Or you can just forward the email. If you've gotten it and you want a friend to get it, just forward that email on and we'll keep you up to date on all the most important and relevant information each week. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
I just made it all up, but okay.
Yeah. And I can
Hopefully you
also
can get some pieces out of it. If it's loud or anything, just cut it out. And
no. There's no laugh. I
okay,
didn't hear anything in the background.
awesome, cool.
Yeah. Do you need anything from me? Like,
Not right now. I have some things that I'll need from you, but no, not right this moment. I'm supposed to look at the blog post.
oh yeah, I need your like your insights and Nicole insight.
Okay.
Maybe
Oh, let me do that. I'm going to open it right now so that it's stop. You have been loud all day long. Let's see. Where is it located?
oh, it's on Jasper. Oh, it's on Marie Car project.
Oh, okay, let me go there. I know you just have a whole lot to say all day long. Okay, cool. I found it. I'll look at this and add any info or changes right here in Jasper. And then Nicole, I know we'll be able to look at some stuff tomorrow. So you can just remind her then after I have looked through it.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you, Marikar.
Bye.
Good rest
See
of
you
your day.
tomorrow.
Okay.